Place the foam roller underneath your calf, using your hands to balance. Gently roll backwards and forwards along the calf muscle. Once you get really good at that, you can put your other leg on top to apply a bit of extra pressure. Place the foam roller under the muscly part of your shin. Gently roll back and forward, using your opposite leg to relieve a bit of the pressure. To enhance that pressure, you can put your opposite knee down and lean more over your leg. Lie on your front and place the foam roller underneath your leg. Roll the entire length of the thigh muscle until you find a tender spot. From here, you can pick the tender spot and choose to focus more on that area. If you feel like you need more pressure, you can pop your opposite leg on the back of the affected leg. Place the foam roller underneath your hamstrings and roll the entire length of the hamstring. If you feel like you need more pressure, pop your opposite leg over the top of the affected limb. For more pressure again, you can lean your whole body over the side of the affected limb. Position your affected buttock over the top of the roller. Using your arms, move your buttock forwards and backwards over the roller. Increase the pressure, you can lift your affected limb up off the ground, getting into those really sore spots. Lie on your side and place the foam roller underneath your affected hip. Cross your top leg over the bottom leg and use that crossover leg to help you move back and forth.